I stopped selling on Amazon because I am just now selling course, and this is how I make my money. Okay, this is what some people actually start thinking, because not too long ago, and we are going to look at it. Okay, I received the comments, and it was the perfect opportunity to actually reply to this comment with a video, because I have a lot of stuff to say about this. But yeah, no, like if you are really wondering, no, I haven't stopped selling on Amazon. Yes, my Amazon business slowed down a little bit because I told you guys, if you watch actually past videos, that I was in the process of outsourcing most of my Amazon business, and I was in the process of actually removing myself from my Amazon business as much as I can. So we'll talk about that in a future video, right? But because I'm selling coaching, and yes, of course, I'm not going to lie, okay? I make a decent amount of money with my personal brand, not just with coaching, because there's more stuff that goes around your personal brand when you actually have a personal brand. Yes, I make some money with coaching, not enough to pay all my bills and all that stuff, but I make a decent amount with coaching, with YouTube added to this, with all the stuff that has to do with my YouTube channel. And by the way, if you do not know me, I'm sorry I did not introduce myself. My name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon that are 100% free. I've been releasing daily videos for 1 year and a half almost, okay? Since January of 2023, I've been releasing daily videos. And so if you want to learn how to actually become a six-figure Amazon seller, as I've always said, there's everything that you need in my free videos if you actually have the time to put in the work and actually watch all my videos, okay? I've said it countless times. But I really wanted to react to this comment that I received from Noman Ahmed 220, okay, who said, Mr. Nobody selling mentorship monthly $50 USD. First of all, it's not $50 USD anymore. Okay, right now it's $100 a month. Okay, if you wanted to get the $50 USD, and by the way, there's way more perks. Okay, it's worth way more than $50 USD because I actually share proprietary softwares that I actually developed to source that. If you want to actually get something like this, it's more than $100 a month. Okay, it's actually like, if you want to get the same thing, it's like $180 a month if you want to get the software actually doing the same thing. Okay, that the software that I'm sharing for free in my mentorship, which I'm not going to share in the next group, by the way. But so yeah, it's not $50. These guys do not sell on Amazon; they sell course. Okay, so. As I said, I wanted to react to this and to actually tell you a lot of things. If you actually think like him, like if we're being honest, for 6 months, 7 months, everything that I haven't I released daily videos for 7 months before I actually started doing coaching and before I actually started monetizing this personal brand. Right? So the truth is that if you actually do your homework, okay, and if you go, first of all, if you go on the Discord server, you will notice that I answer everybody's question. But if you go on my channel, okay, and if you want to, you can go into the live section, and I have 2 replays of the live calls that I used to do every single week, by the way, on YouTube and on the Discord server, and people were able to actually come, and we are going to do more of them. People were actually able to come for free, ask me any questions that they have about selling on Amazon, and I was giving them answers. And it was pretty much coaching, okay, for more than 1 hour. So you can see 120 minutes, 124 minutes. Every single week, for more than 1 hour, I was spending time actually talking to people for free, 100% free. I was not even getting paid from YouTube because my channel was not monetized. I was not getting paid, of course, by Discord. I was not getting paid by anybody. And if you actually, let me just open the Discord server, because you can, if you actually do your homework, you will know this. And the reason why I'm telling you all this is because when I was doing this, like, if you are not giving me my followers for all the shit that I do for free and that I've been doing for free, okay, don't come and start bitching whenever I actually start making people pay to do this. Okay, so if you come on the Discord server, so this is the Discord server. If you actually go to success, to the success tab, okay, and you look at what people, and so I'm gonna get people that actually been on the calls when they were for free, okay. As I think Az was coming to the calls, okay, he's at $52,000 a month in revenue. Okay, let's just scroll down. I think the best example is 1337, okay, which was on the call and which made, so DK was on the calls all the time, made his first sale, and he learns actually how to sell on Amazon on the calls. He's not selling on Amazon anymore, I believe, but he was on the calls every single week, okay, whenever we had the live calls, okay. And there's tons and tons and tons of testimonials. from people that actually came, that were here when, when I was doing all the live calls every single week, okay? And so once again, if you do not throw me my flowers for this shit, do not come and tell me, oh, you guys are, because I'm going to handle the part where you say, and I cannot find it. But like, if you go on the coaching page, on the coaching web page, you are going to see that there's actually, like, check 1337, he was always on the calls, and I even did it for free with him in private, okay? And if you were an OG subscribers, I probably coached you for free for a long time if you were here, like, in the first 6-7 months of the channel, okay? So, like, just check the result that 1337 was able to get last Q4. He was able to almost reach $100,000 in a month, okay? So, and he's someone that actually taught, I'm not the only person that actually taught him how to sell on Amazon, but he was always on the live calls, and he was there, and he did not pay anything. A lot of people did not pay anything and learned how to sell on Amazon, on the Discord server, on the live calls, and with all the free videos that I make, right? So I think it is unfair to actually say this, because, by the way, also, if you think that I do not sell on Amazon, just do this, okay? Go to the playlist and go to road to $100,000 a month. For a whole year, I made monthly videos, okay, detailing my numbers. So if you think that I'm not selling on Amazon, you're really dumb. Like, on a lot of those, I actually share my sales, I actually share my phone with the sales and all that stuff. So you can actually check. If you think that I'm not selling on Amazon, like, you can actually check right there. But the truth is that, and by the way, same thing. If, like, I've shared countless of free leads, okay? I give a ton of free games, and just, with, for example, the Walgreens links, okay? I actually, today what I planned to do was to actually make another video on how to source Walgreens. But if you actually watch my OG video on how to source Walgreens, because it's a website where, when I started, I made a ton of money, you know that I actually give, like, and this is 100% for free. If you subscribe to the email list, you receive every single week all the promotions that are going on at Walgreens, okay, for 100% free. My VA is actually doing all this work, couple of hours a week, for free, for the email list. Sends the email list all the links where a promotion, all the promotion for, and you know what, let me just show it to you. Let me just go to constant content. Let me just go to Bitly, because the how is it called? The spreadsheet should be there. Okay, let me go right there. It's not on Bitly. Let me go on my email management software, and I'm going to get this for you, so you can actually see what it looks like if you haven't seen it yet. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the how is it called? To the Walgreens links, subscribe. Okay, it's an easy way to make extra money, to find more leads every single week, and actually speeding up your sourcing process. Okay, if you know my target list, it's like the target list, but just for Walgreens. Okay, just for Walgreens. And if you want more leads, more links, more potential products, more potential deals to look at, get the target list. That's pretty much. And the target list is a little bit over $1 a day to get my VAs to do this for you every single week. So here it is. Okay, here's the Walgreens links. Okay, so what the Walgreens links are is it's that spreadsheet with all the links to all the promotions that are currently going on at Walgreens. Okay, so for example, everything that is buy one get one free, you can get it here. Boom. Here you go, okay? And for example, okay, all the vitamins, of course, not vitamins, and I'm going to make a whole video on it. The vitamins are getting restricted. But for one whole year, people actually have been making a ton of money with this by just being able... So, what you can do is literally take all this and scan it with tactile expander, tactile arbitrage, and then find a ton of leads, okay? That's literally like... And so all the work is done for you. All the links are here, okay, based on the promotion that is going on, okay? The buy one get one free, buy one get one 50%, buy one get one 40%, buy one get one 25%, 15% off. You can get this work done for you for free, okay? So I will never these comments, I will not say that it's ungrateful. This is not what it is, but like, you always, and you will never be successful if this is the mentality that you have, because all that you do is you find something to complain about, okay? Because whenever I was doing all this shit that I'm doing for free, and I'm still doing a ton of shit for free, I'm still making all those videos, and like, believe me, okay? YouTube does not pay a lot, okay? I make daily videos. You want to see how much money I make from YouTube? You really want to see how much money I made from YouTube? The last Let me actually see. Let me see. Here we go. The last 28 days, I made $192. Okay, I made $192 the last. Oh, okay, and I'm sorry, I did not actually show this to you. Here we go. It's right there. I lied it. $192. Okay, so yes, like all the shit that I do, all the stuff, and so I have tons of videos. For example, okay, that teach you how to do this shit for free. Okay, source, how to source. Let's look at this video. How to source. If you haven't seen it, by the way, if you haven't seen it, please watch it. But yeah, like for example, I have a whole video on how to actually source at Ulta. Okay, if you want to make money, if you want to find products at Ulta, there's the whole game plan. If you want to how to do manual sourcing, how to source products for Arbitrage at Walgreens, how to reverse source. And I have a video that is the best video that will teach you the most about sourcing on Amazon. It's how to actually find profitable online arbitrage products to sell on Amazon. And it's the video that helped a ton of people, and that was the thing that made people click, that made it so people that a lot of people actually things clicked for a lot of sellers. Okay, so yeah, like I will not accept, and so this is why, you know, this is really dumb comments and like really uninformed. Watch all my content, okay? Like watch the content, watch, and I would actually tell you, watch the free course that I used to do. As I said, you go on my channel, you go right here, you go into live, and you just click and you on live Amazon FBA online arbitrage and try to hear people talking, okay? Try to get their name, and you will see their name appearing on the screen. Like if you look at it, let's open this. Whenever people,
and then like let's just say
whenever people are talking, you see their name over there. Okay, check those people. Except, yeah, here you go. You see 1337 was actually there, okay? If you look at 1337, you can see how much money he made actually last month during December, and I'm glad to say that I've been able to help him on his journey, okay? 100% for free, okay? It was on the you know, he was one of the first subscribers of the channel, and so there's a ton of people I actually helped for free, okay? That I helped for free, no money. So do not come and start complaining when because okay, if you want help for free, and I'm still giving a lot of help for free, and you can always come on Discord, open a ticket and ask me questions. And sometimes I still do live calls. Maybe I was supposed to do one yesterday, I wasn't able to do it. Maybe we'll do one today. But yeah, do not come and start complaining, because it's really convenient for you to complain while I'll do a lot of shit for free. You know, of course, yes. If I take people, okay, if I take my time to help people one-on-one, to help, and I'm glad people support me, because, you know, I've done a lot of shit for free, and I help people, and they support me monetarily for helping them, and so I'm super glad and I'm super grateful for that, you know? But like, if you do not give me my florals for doing this shit, for all the shit that I've done for free, do not come and complain about the fact that I'm actually making people pay for coaching. Am I supposed to do everything that I do for free? That's the question. Am I supposed to do all this for free? Am I supposed to spend 10 to 15 hours a week on this YouTube, on this whole business, on this thing of helping people for free? I still help a ton of people for free. So it's not ungrateful, but I do not have the right words to say about this. But it is sad. To be honest, it is sad to have this mentality. It's really sad to have this mentality. And if you want to grow, I mean, you know, I'll gladly pay somebody that knows, that been through to like, if somebody actually, because I'm running into some issues with other business right now and all that and other stuff that I do not know. And I will gladly pay $100 a month to have somebody every single week answering my question about this thing, and that I can actually share tips and all that stuff every single week about that. I'll gladly do it. If you are not in the market to do it, it's fine. But like, do not come and say that, oh, you do not sell on Amazon. Oh, like, do not do this. Okay, it's really dumb. Like, try to think about it. Like, try to do a little bit of research. Try to actually look on my channel. Go on my channel. Look at where is it? Look at all my content. Look at all my videos, and you're gonna see if what you are saying is true or not. Okay. For all the leads that I've been sharing for free, for all the work that me and my team are still putting for free, for that you can actually get access to, and I'm sure that you have no idea that you can actually get access to all the shit that I do for free, because you haven't done your due diligence, okay? And you go on YouTube and you leave them comments, okay? So be better. That's all I have to say. Yeah, hopefully this video taught you one or two things. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Like this video and subscribe, by the way. Thank you.